This video highlights the changes we have made to MoversSuite at version 2016 R24. Dispatchers can now view documents associated to personnel records. In local dispatch, we changed the View Safety Information option, which is available through a right-click within the Crew Assignment grid. This option now reads as View Personnel Information. Selecting this option opens the Personnel Information screen. The safety information displays initially, and if you have appropriate security access, you will also see a Documents tab. This tab features all documents established for the person. These documents can be of any type, including logs and driving records. The file information and properties for each of the documents are available within the grid. You can use this information to identify the type of the file, such as PDF document in this case, and see information on the document, such as which type it is classified under. You can see who attached the document and when it was attached. You can see when it was modified by an administrator, and view any notes set for the document. You can view the contents of a document as well. A right-click option is available, allowing you to view the document. And for those of you in a hurry, you can also double-click on the record to view its content. Either choice opens the document based on the file type associated to it. For example, if the document is a Word file, then MoversSuite opens the document within a Microsoft Word window. The applications that are available to view with are those established within your environment. If you do not have the Word application, then MoversSuite prompts you to choose an application to open the file with. You also have the option to attach documents. To do this, click on Add Document. The application prompts you to choose a file from your environment. Once a selection is made, a prompt appears allowing you to provide a document type, description, and enter a note regarding the document. Pressing Add Document from this dialog adds the file to your database. The document is immediately available to you within the data grid. Of note, you are not able to remove a document once it's added to the system. The Document tab is available within Long Distance Dispatch as well. Open the Current Driver Activity tab and click on the Safety Indicator of a driver. The Personal Information screen appears, and you can access the same Documents tab discussed for local dispatch. Administrators access documents through a new tab within Personnel Setup. From here, you can quickly edit the properties of a document by clicking on a record. The properties that you can change here include the personnel document type, the document description, and document notes. The option to view the document is available through a right-click menu. Just as in the dispatching modules, this opens the document in a separate window using the default application associated to the file. You can also add new documents quickly by clicking here. The settings available to administrators include defining document groups. These are the categories that documents can list under. You can determine the order in which the group displays in the Documents grid by setting the Group Sort Order. By default, the groups list in alphanumeric order. Optionally, you can force the application to list the groups in a particular order by assigning a Group Sort Order. If you wish to have the Logs Filed category as the first group, then assign it a value of 1. Place subsequent groups in numerical order behind this group, such as assigning order values of 2, 3, 4, etc. For each document group, you can assign a type. The type controls which group documents list under. The description corresponds to the name that displays for the type within the Documents tab. You can assign a type when adding documents to the system. You can also mark the record as inactive. An inactive type is not available as a type when adding documents. You continue to see documents associated to an inactive type, you just cannot add any new documents to an inactive type. By default, the admin tool does not display inactive records. To view and update these records, open the menu in the upper right corner of the screen and select Show All Items. Also from this menu, you can choose to mark all listed records as active or inactive. For each record, you can also determine which documents are secure. A secured document is only visible to users assigned to the type through the Personnel Document Security Type Setup. This setup lists all secured types. Simply assign users to the type to grant access to these documents. In MoversSuite, if you have access to view secure documents, then the Personnel Information screen displays secured documents along with any non-secured types. You'll also be able to add secure documents by selecting one of the secured types. In the next release of MoversSuite, look for the ability to attach documents to equipment resources and to account profiles. Please view the online help at version 2016 R24 to read more about the changes we have made. Thank you.